After deals with US and Israeli Cos for UAVs, India is set to locally manufacture Russian drones. India is among the largest importers of drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, in the world. So far a bulk of the buying has been from Israeli, Chinese, Korean, US and European companies, with negligible purchases from trusted partner Russia. But that is set to change. A new Indo-Russian joint venture El Componix Arab Technologies India is planning to manufacture multi-purpose UAVs, or drones, here with Russian design and technology. And what's more, the drones will be made here in India, bringing down costs significantly. The Noida-based joint venture was formed in 2016 by Russia's Arab, a startup based in Skolkovo Innovation Center near Moscow, and India's El Componix, a component manufacturer for automotive electronics and solar industries. India is the first foreign market for the Russian startup, while for El Componix this is the first foray into the UAV market. In India, the Arab UAVs will be sold under Pavansat brand. The joint venture is planning to market several types of drones: Pavansat 5AT, a lightweight copter UAV, Pavansat BH, a solar UAV designed for search and rescue and infrastructure surveillance, and the multi-purpose Pavansat 30VR UAV, known as Arab 4D globally. But it is the Pavansat 30VR UAV that the Indo-Russian venture is betting on. The mid-range fixed-wing UAV weighing just 30 kilograms can fly for 10 hours with maximum flight range of 1,200 kilometers one way at heights ranging 300 feet 12,000 feet. Ideal for surveillance. The UAV has a 120 km per hour cruising speed, which makes it useful for surveillance of large infrastructure projects like oil and gas pipelines, electric power lines, highways, railroads, sea and land borders. The drone can carry various types of payload, from HD photo and video cameras to laser scanners and radars with up to 8 kilograms weight. We are mainly targeting the defense and the military sector for the Pavansat 30VR and are in discussions with DRDO and BSF, SN Dwivedi, managing director of El Componix Group, told Business Line. New facility. El Componix Arab's facility in Noida will produce 5 to 8 UAVs per month in the first year of operations. However, the company is caught in red tape and is trying to get a license for manufacturing the UAVs from DIP. The delay in getting an industrial license is a challenge to start the business operations, Dwivedi said. The license to manufacture drones in India has so far been granted to 17 Indian companies including BHEL, Ashok Leyland, and Dynamic Technology. Igor Kuznetsov, CTO of El Componix Arab, told Business Line that the JV will first start semi-knockdown assembly in India and move towards localizing up to 80% of the components. We will bring our own composites manufacturing technology to India as well, since in Russia all our needs for composite materials used in making of UAVs are satisfied by our own facilities. Russian Arab decided to localize manufacturing after it realized the difficulties of importing ready-made UAVs to India. At the same time, manufacturing in India will allow us to price the drones 20% or less than Indiana, Russia, Kuznetsov said. Growing market. The global UAV drones market is expected to increase to $21.23 billion by 2022, according to research firm Markets and Markets. The commercial UAV segment accounts for a small share of the total and may reach $2.07 billion by 2022, Grand View Research, a US-based market research and consulting company estimates. EY's Eye on Defense report notes that till date India has bought UAV platforms worth about $1.5 billion, 8,350 crore in 2012 exchange rate. Q-Tech Synergy expects the market to reach $5 billion by 2027. LTCDR John Livingstone, RETD, the founder, CEO and product architect of JohnNet Technologies, one of the pioneers of the country's UAV industry, estimates Indian UAV market to reach around $3 billion, 20,000 crore, in the next 10 years. Stiff competition. Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, a global think tank, said in the past 2 decades India has emerged as the largest importer of UAVs with a 22.5% share in global imports, although between 2010 and 2014, UK replaced India as the top importer of UAVs. Israel has been the major supplier of UAVs to India as well as globally accounting for 60.7% of world's exports of UAVs. The Indian government have approved a new purchase of 10 armed herons worth $400 million in 2015. Israeli companies are also looking at localizing manufacturing of UAVs here. In February, Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, and Bangalore-based Dynamatic Technologies Ltd, DTL, signed a cooperation agreement for the production of many UAVs in India, while last year Adani Enterprises entered into JV with Israel's Elbit Systems for the manufacturing of UAVs in Ahmedabad. The cost factor will be the major advantage of El Componix Arab's UAVs. According to Kuznetsov, the Pavansat 30VR drone may cost only a third as much as the Israeli machines. Chinese, Korean, US and European companies dominate India's commercial drone market. There are around 30 Indian start UPS manufacturing various UAVs. The market share of India-made UAVs is currently 20 to 25%, Livingstone said, with the majority of indigenous drones supplied to government organizations, armed forces, and police rather than being used for commercial purposes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.